Okay, as we're coming up on the 15th Street, they call this the boardwalk, and here's Miami Beach. Oh, I shouldn't call it Miami Beach because I guess the locals put a significant emphasis on South Beach. Early on, technically, South Beach went from 1st to the 15th streets. Now, again, they've expanded it for commercial reasons, property value, etc. And now it goes a lot further. But nevertheless, you can get a good feel for not only the color of the sand, the color of the water. Again, it's 11:40, and just the environment. This is a Friday, therefore many people or many locals are still at work. This is September, so I guess we're right on the ebb of the quote summer season ending and we call it the low season beginning. I'm calling the low season between September and I'm gonna say second, third week in November. All right. I can't see it because I don't know. Let's see what we got.